In this video, we are going to plant tomatoes in an unusual but excellent way, where your soil will keep providing organic nutrients to your plants for almost the entire growing season. This method will not only help your tomato plants produce more fruits than leaves, but the fruits will also be sweeter in taste. So let's get started without wasting any time. But before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The first step is to dig a big hole in your planting area. We are digging holes in these container-looking beds. They might look like containers, but they are actually beds because they are hollow from the base, allowing roots to spread deep into the soil. This setup ensures better drainage and allows nutrients to move freely to the plant roots. Once the hole is dug deep enough, it is time to add kitchen waste. This is the key to keeping your plants well fed throughout the season. Kitchen waste is an excellent natural fertilizer because it decomposes slowly, releasing nutrients into the soil as the plant grows. You can add vegetable peels, fruit scraps, leaves, or any plant-based waste from your kitchen. Avoid adding cooked food, dairy, or meat, as they can attract pests and take longer to break down. Fill the hole with a generous amount of kitchen waste to ensure a steady supply of nutrients for the roots. This method mimics nature, where organic matter naturally decomposes and enriches the soil, just like in forests. After adding the waste, sprinkle some Epsom salt on top. This is an important step because Epsom salt contains magnesium and sulfur, which help improve plant growth. Magnesium plays a crucial role in photosynthesis, allowing plants to produce more energy from sunlight. It also strengthens cell walls, making plants more resistant to diseases. Sulfur enhances flavor and boosts enzyme activity, helping the plant absorb nutrients more efficiently. This simple addition can make a big difference in the health and productivity of your tomato plants. Next, we add a layer of compost. Compost is full of beneficial microbes that speed up the decomposition of kitchen waste. This process releases nutrients more quickly, making them available to the plant roots. Compost also improves soil structure, increasing its ability to hold moisture while allowing excess water to drain. By adding compost at this stage, we ensure that the kitchen waste starts breaking down immediately, providing a continuous supply of food for the tomatoes. Once the compost layer is added, it's time to cover the hole with the soil we dug up earlier. This step locks in the nutrients and prevents any unpleasant smells from the decomposing waste. Gently fill the hole, pressing down slightly to remove air pockets. A loose but firm soil structure helps roots grow freely while maintaining proper aeration. At the end, we add another layer of compost on top. This extra layer will act as a slow-release fertilizer, ensuring that the tomato plants get nutrients from both above and below. It also helps retain moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Now that the bed is ready, it's time to plant the tomato seedlings. Make sure to choose healthy seedlings with strong stems and a good root system. When planting, bury the seedlings deeper than usual, covering part of the stem. This encourages the plant to grow additional roots, making it stronger and more stable. Water the plants immediately after planting to help them settle into the soil and eliminate air gaps around the roots. To give the plants an extra boost, we will apply compost tea at the end. Compost tea is a liquid fertilizer made by steeping compost in water. It is packed with beneficial microbes and nutrients that promote healthy plant growth. When poured onto the soil, compost tea enhances microbial activity, improving nutrient availability. It also helps prevent diseases by strengthening the plant's immune system. This final step ensures that the young tomato plants receive immediate nourishment, encouraging fast and healthy growth. As the plants grow, the buried kitchen waste will continue decomposing, slowly releasing nutrients into the soil. This means you won't have to fertilize frequently, as the plants will be naturally fed throughout the season. The result is healthier tomato plants that produce more flowers and fruits instead of excess leaves. Because they receive a balanced diet of nutrients, the tomatoes will be sweeter and more flavorful. This method is a simple yet powerful way to grow tomatoes with minimal effort. It uses waste materials that would otherwise be thrown away, turning them into valuable plant food. The combination of kitchen waste, Epsom salt, and compost creates a rich environment where plants thrive naturally. It also improves soil health over time, making it more fertile for future plantings.